Another day similar to Friday, pretty much break even on the day, plus 175 on the 250K portfolio, right around $5 on the 50K portfolio, and fairly close to the hypotheticals. Overall, a break-even trading day. This is the first day of the trading week, so it doesn't change our month, quarter, or year results that much from Friday. And these are our current drawdown levels. The last equity peak was on May the 5th. If we are not at an equity peak, we are in a drawdown. So we are about 17 days away from our last equity peak. Let's look at the trades on the day. We went 2 for 4 in the Nasdaq. Viper continues to be one of the hottest strategies on the year. The 1-minute version, Viper 2021, plus 575. EVP1, nice entry. This market looked like it was going to zoom higher and take out 14,000 and beyond. But as the day set in, the chop set in. And after the first hour, the daily range was between maybe 70 points, 75 points after the first hour. So 70 points total range after the first hour. Very, very narrow range. The beginning of the day ran up and then it got slammed. It looked like it was going to roll over, then it bounced right back. And then you saw several times when the market did that again. It slammed it again here and then it bounced back. Like it was going to take out the highs, pull back, take out the highs, then it pulled back, and so kind of stopped running price action. So glad to be up to break even on the day. And EVP1, this is a different version. It's the long and short version. Went long, rolled over the short side, reversed to the long side. It was down on the day, minus 715, and you continue to see this market environment that tries to generate short signals, and then the market turns around and goes up. Zigzag, loss on this long trade, loss on the short trade, more of a scratch trade on the short trade, minus 1270. And what we see here, I've been researching strategies. What I'm finding is that if I find a good long-only strategy in the stock indexes, and then I reverse those signals to short to test the short side, the long side might have an equity curve like this, and the short side, if I take the exact same signals and actually make the exact opposite signal. The equity curve is down on the short side, and so what I'm doing is if I take the opposite short signal and then make it a buy signal, say for example, if the average close of the last 9 bars is greater than 18, this is not a strategy I'm testing, but just an example of a long signal. If it's greater than that, then go long. Go long to market, exit at the end of the day, and then if the average 9 is less than the average 18, go short. And what I'm finding is that the long signals doing well, short signals are doing poorly, but I can also just take the short signals and say if the average of the last 9 is greater than the average of 18, we continue to go long, and then if the average 9 is less than the average of 18, then we also go long. And so we just take the opposite and also make it a long signal. So it's just extremely biased to the upside is the point I'm trying to make, is the market is just continues to be tightly wound, to make it difficult to go short, and it just keeps going up and up and up on a very choppy incremental basis underneath the market. And that's what I'm seeing now. It's time for a pullback. We're due for a pullback. Doesn't mean we'll get one. And so we'll see. Let's look at the S&P trades on the day. 3 for 5 on the S&P. It was a chopper type of a day. Opening chop did well. We were struggling with this strategy. Went short, went long, went short, and then covered. So nice gains on that. And then chop 2. Took this long trade right here, a time exit. And then tick chop went short right around break even, minus 1250. Tick fader plus 375. And then tick capture and dynamic turnaround was down on the day, minus 425. And so counter strategy well today, very sideways market, as you can see here, as the market waits on the debt ceiling. So once again, these are the trades on the day for Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.